In front of me is REALME C63 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit to hit Apps and select App Cloner. Then click on gray switches next to any apps you wish to clone. And wait. So when I go back and check my apps, I can see that AliExpress was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, you can either hold your app and wait for uninstall option to show up, or go back and click on blue switcher next to your app. Then hit OK in the pop-up to delete clone of it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!